Well, I'm on again. I'm trying mode 1 first, because I'm not sure the difference between the modes. I know this mode 2, mode 3 will give you more welly. Mode 1 is seems to be fine at the moment. It's supposed to give you more range. I've got to turn right by the shell gauge. He said, I think the next one that's a shell gauge, so I've got to do a right somewhere on the main road. That mode 1 she picks up alright. I think it must be down here where I've got to turn. Anyway. I'm going to be quiet for a while, I've got to concentrate. I'm going to put it on mode 3 a second. And I've just got to feel my way down here because I just don't know until I can find where I am. Something like Putney or something like that. I'm supposed to be heading towards Croydon, but I'm not sure if I am or not. So I'll have to wait and see. It's a lovely day for bike, right? It's been lovely. I mean, London's weather's like this. Look, see up there, it's all lovely and no clouds. I suppose it's like that everywhere in the UK at the moment. Looking red hot. I don't know where I am. I'm just feeling my way around everywhere. Pegs are quite high, higher than I thought, but I'm getting used to it now. The foot pegs. Now when I'm riding the E-Pack bike or the N9U bike, electric bikes, you know, you've got very little power to your throttle. This is a 5 kilowatt of power, and it's a hub motor. And sorry, it's not a hub motor, it's a motor that's down beneath me that delivers. Right, so I'm going and then right, okay. I'm going round the bend and turn right. Feels different not having a foot brake there. Got nothing down there obviously. Yeah, CBS brakes on the front. I can check pads and stuff when I get home and give it a good clean. But yeah, this bike to buy in retail brand new is £4,799. Cheeky. I paid for this one 2021, so it's just over a year old. Travelling to get it, etc. It came up straight away, so I went and grabbed it because I just saw my other bike and I had the cash. It's 2,700 quid, and all she wants is a clean, basically. She wants a really good clean. So yeah, hey. I'm really glad. I want to get away from the petrol bikes for a while, especially for going to work and stuff, but I want to have some fun going to work. So I go to work 10 miles there, 10 miles back. And on the 20 mile an hour E-Pack bike, it's, you know, falling asleep going there. So I wanted to South Circle, we're turning right. I wanted a bike that I could have some fun on. This has definitely got loads of that character. The 17-inch wheels are lovely. figuring out the where have we gone now? Have we gone the wrong way? Might have gone the wrong way, you know. Never mind. I'll sort it out. Quite sunshine. Sure, I must have turned the next one, you know. Actually, I think I'll go that way. Sorry. Because I need to go back on myself again. Because I took the wrong turning. It's the next little right after that one. But the low speed handling is good on this bike. And got regenerative braking. That's what the that noise I can hear. Clapham Junction Battersea. I think I have to go to the next one, you know, after this. But I have to have a look. But the bars are nice. The later models have this kink in the bar. This is 2021. The 2019 ones have a straight flat bar, so they're slightly lower down. Where these are a kink in them, which is nice. Yeah. Tyres are nice as well. 17-inch tyres. Very chunky treads as well for like winter. On the back and the front. Yes, I need to go South Circus. I need the next one after this one. I did the one turning. I can have you, boy. Don't you worry about that. You don't fight with me. Don't mess with me. Yes, I got the right one now. So yes, having 17-inch wheels is going to make the ride a lot comfy, a lot more comfier. Upside down forks to the front, and they're quite nice and smooth as well. Yeah, because look at the roads these days, they're terrible, aren't they? Potholes everywhere. Potholes, big holes, so the bigger the wheels you've got, the better. I tend to, my route to work, I know where every hole is, because I'm using 10-inch wheels on the EPAP. Little electric scooter. I know where every hole is. It's a smart feature. Look at that. You eat your fingers. Meep, meep. So these bumps are alright for me. But still, the roads are terrible these days. So having the larger wheels is going to be better for me. Go on, Mr. Delivery Bar, darling. Domino's. Pizza. You go for it, lad. You're in a rush, I'm not. You turn that corner, nice. Oh, this is going to be fun. I know it is. LED lights all round. LED daytime running lights, which are on now, like a crown on the outside and a central beam. So when I get home and clean her up. Right, I'll love you and leave you for a second.